Factor using GCF. Factoring using GCF is the opposite of the distributive property. When you distribute, you take the number on the outside of the parentheses and multiply it to each term inside the parentheses. So here, 5 in parentheses y plus 6 is 5y plus 30. X, parentheses 3x plus 7, is 3x squared plus 7x. Since factoring using GCF is the opposite of the distributive property, our answer in the distributive property question becomes the question when we factor. And our question when we distribute will become our answer when we factor. So keeping that in mind, we know our answer to factoring is going to have a number on the outside of parentheses. That number that's on the outside, number and or variable, is what can come out of both terms. So here, I can pull a 5 from both 5 and 30. There's a y, but no y's here, so we can't pull out a y from both terms. So then think 5 times what would give you 5y, and that's y. 5 times what is 30, and that's a positive 6. Here, we cannot pull out a number other than 1 from 3 and 7, but we can pull an x from both terms. So pull out the x, and x times 3x is 3x squared, and x times a positive 7 is 7x. So let's go ahead and find the GCF and then fully factor. So for 2x plus 8, a 2 can come out of both terms, and 2 times x is 2x, and 2 times a positive 4 is 8. K squared plus 5k, and pull out a k from both terms, and inside the parentheses will be k plus 5. For the last one, I can pull out a 16 from both terms, and I can also pull out an n from both terms. So 16 times 2 is 32. There's an m up here, but no m here, so I got to multiply it by an m. And then n times n would give you n squared. And then 16n times a negative 1 is negative 16n.